blade tool like this is built for precision rather than heavy-duty cutting, and that makes it especially useful in survival situations where control matters. Small cutting tasks happen constantly outdoors, preparing tinder, trimming cordage, opening supplies, or shaping small materials. And a tool like this handles those jobs cleanly and efficiently. The compact size makes it easy to carry without adding weight, while still providing a sharp and controlled edge when needed. What makes a tool like this valuable in survival gear is accessibility and precision. Larger knives are useful for heavy tasks, but small blades are often used more frequently for detailed work. Having a compact cutting tool that is always available allows you to handle small but important tasks quickly without switching tools. In survival situations, efficiency comes from having the right tool for the right job, and a small, precise blade becomes part of that system. Platypus QuickDraw water is one of the most critical elements in survival, and having a reliable way to filter and access clean water is essential. A filtration system like this allows you to collect water from natural sources and make it safe to drink without needing to boil it. The compact design makes it easy to carry in a backpack or emergency kit, and the filtration process is simple, which is important in situations where time and energy need to be conserved. What makes a water filter valuable is independence and safety. Instead of relying on carried water supplies, you can use available water sources while reducing the risk of contamination. In survival situations, dehydration can become a serious problem quickly, and having a reliable filtration system allows you to stay hydrated without taking unnecessary risks. Clean water access is one of the foundations of survival preparedness, and tools like this are essential for maintaining it. A multifunctional shovel is one of the most versatile tools you can carry in a survival setup because it allows you to shape and manage your environment. It can be used for digging fire pits, building shelters, trenching for drainage, clearing debris, or even breaking hard ground when needed. The folding design makes it compact enough to carry while still providing enough strength to handle real work in outdoor conditions. What makes a tool like this important is versatility and capability. Instead of carrying separate tools for digging, cutting, and basic construction tasks, one tool can handle multiple roles. In survival situations, the ability to build, modify, and prepare your surroundings is extremely important, and tools that allow you to do that become essential. A multifunctional shovel is not something you use constantly, but when you need it, it becomes one of the most valuable tools in your gear. Fire starting is one of the most essential survival skills, and tools that can produce a flame without relying on fuel become extremely valuable in outdoor environments. A fuel-free lighter is designed to work repeatedly without the need for gas refills, making it more reliable in long-term or emergency situations. Instead of depending on traditional lighters that can fail in cold, wet, or windy conditions, this type of tool focuses on consistent ignition using a simple and durable mechanism. In survival scenarios, having a dependable fire-starting method can make a significant difference in maintaining warmth, preparing food, and signaling for help. What makes a tool like this important is reliability and long-term usability. Fuel-based lighters eventually run out, but a fuel-free system can be used repeatedly as long as the mechanism is functional. Fire is one of the core elements of survival, alongside shelter and water, and having a reliable way to create it reduces risk in unpredictable conditions. In outdoor environments where weather and resources are uncertain, tools that work consistently without relying on consumables become essential parts of any survival kit. Savotta. A compact backpack is an important part of survival gear because it carries everything you need while allowing you to move efficiently. A 15-liter pack like this is designed for short missions, day trips, or minimalist survival setups where only essential gear is carried. The structure focuses on durability and practical storage, allowing items to be organized in a way that makes them easy to access when needed. In survival situations, organization and accessibility are just as important as the gear itself. What makes a small pack valuable is mobility and efficiency. Carrying only essential equipment allows for faster movement and less physical strain, which can be critical in emergency situations. A well-designed pack keeps weight balanced and ensures that important items such as water, tools, and medical supplies are always within reach. In survival setups, the backpack becomes more than just storage. It becomes the system that holds everything together and allows you to operate effectively in changing environments. Starting a fire is not always as simple as it seems, especially in wet or cold environments where natural tinder is difficult to find. A fire strip roll provides a reliable source of tinder that can ignite quickly and burn long enough to start a fire even in challenging conditions. Instead of relying entirely on natural materials, having a prepared tinder source ensures that you can start a fire when conditions are not ideal. This becomes especially important in survival situations where time and energy need to be conserved. What makes a fire starter material like this valuable is consistency and ease of use. It reduces the uncertainty of fire starting by providing a dependable ignition source that works in various conditions. Fire is critical for warmth, cooking, water purification, and signaling, and being able to start it reliably increases safety and comfort in the outdoors. In survival gear, redundancy is important, and having both a fire-starting tool and reliable tinder ensures that you are prepared for situations where natural resources are not available or difficult to use. Preparedness in survival situations often comes down to having the right tools organized and protected before anything goes wrong. An emergency kit like this is designed to keep essential survival items stored in a way that protects them from water, fire, and rough conditions. In outdoor environments, gear can easily be exposed to rain, moisture, or accidental damage, and having a protective system ensures that important items remain usable when needed. The kit typically includes basic survival tools and supplies that can support short-term emergency situations, making it a practical addition to both outdoor gear and home preparedness setups. What makes an emergency kit valuable is readiness and protection. Instead of gathering items individually during a stressful situation, everything is already prepared and stored in one place. This reduces reaction time and helps ensure that essential tools are not forgotten or damaged. In survival scenarios, preparation often determines the outcome, and having a reliable kit allows you to respond quickly and effectively. Tools and supplies are only useful if they are accessible and functional, and a well-protected emergency kit ensures both. Lighting becomes critical in survival situations, especially when visibility is limited or when working in dark environments. A flashlight like this is designed to provide strong illumination while remaining portable and easy to carry. The light output is powerful enough to cover both short-range tasks and wider area visibility, which is important for navigation, searching, or working at night. A reliable light source extends usable hours and improves safety when natural light is no longer available. What makes a flashlight like this valuable is performance and reliability. In emergency situations, you need a light that works instantly and consistently without failure. Strong output allows you to identify hazards, navigate terrain, and maintain awareness of your surroundings. Lighting is not just about convenience. It directly affects safety and decision-making in low-light conditions. A dependable flashlight becomes one of the most important tools you can carry when conditions become unpredictable. Primal emergency tent shelter is one of the core elements of survival, and having a quick deploy emergency shelter can make a significant difference in harsh conditions. An emergency tent is designed to provide immediate protection from wind, rain, and cold without requiring complex setup. It can be deployed quickly using minimal resources, which is important in situations where time and energy are limited. Even a simple barrier against the elements can help maintain body temperature and reduce exposure to environmental risks. What makes an emergency tent valuable is simplicity and effectiveness. It provides a basic shelter solution that can be set up quickly in unpredictable situations. In survival scenarios, protection from the elements is often the first priority, and having a lightweight, easy-to-use shelter ensures that you can respond immediately. While it may not offer the comfort of a full camping tent, its purpose is to provide fast and reliable protection when it is needed most. In survival situations, visibility can determine both safety and direction, especially when operating at night or in low-light environments. A long-range flashlight like this is designed to project a focused beam over extended distances, allowing you to see far beyond immediate surroundings. This makes it useful for navigation, scanning terrain, identifying landmarks, or checking for potential hazards before moving forward. The strong beam intensity provides clarity in dark environments where standard flashlights may not offer enough reach. What makes a long-range flashlight valuable is awareness and control. Being able to see further allows you to make better decisions and avoid risks before they become immediate threats. It also provides a way to signal over long distances if needed, which can be important in emergency situations. In survival gear, tools that improve awareness of your environment are extremely important, and a dependable long-range light becomes a key part of maintaining safety and visibility. Power sources are often limited in survival and outdoor situations, especially during extended trips where access to electricity is not available. A portable solar panel allows you to generate power using sunlight, which provides a renewable energy source for charging essential devices. This can include phones, GPS units, lights, or other small electronics that support navigation and communication. The foldable design makes it easier to carry and deploy when needed, allowing you to set it up during rest periods or while at camp. What makes a solar charger valuable is independence and sustainability. Instead of relying on stored battery power alone, you can generate energy as long as sunlight is available. This extends the usability of electronic devices and reduces the risk of running out of power in critical situations. In survival scenarios, maintaining communication and navigation tools can be extremely important, and a renewable power source adds an extra layer of preparedness. A pocket knife is one of the most essential tools in any survival setup because it can handle a wide range of tasks, from cutting rope and preparing materials to food preparation and general utility work. A reliable knife becomes part of daily routine in outdoor environments. The serrated edge adds the ability to cut through tougher materials like rope or fibrous objects more effectively, while the compact folding design makes it safe and easy to carry. What makes a pocket knife valuable is versatility and reliability. It is used frequently for both small and larger tasks, making it one of the most important tools in survival gear. A dependable knife allows you to work more efficiently and handle situations that require cutting, shaping, or preparing materials. In survival situations, having a reliable cutting tool is not optional. It is essential for managing everyday tasks and responding to unexpected challenges. In survival environments, a large fixed-blade knife becomes more than just a cutting tool. It becomes a primary tool for shaping and managing your surroundings. The Skrama is built for heavy-duty use, allowing it to handle tasks like chopping wood, clearing brush, preparing firewood, and building shelters. The longer blade provides reach and power, making it capable of handling tasks that smaller knives struggle with. Instead of carrying multiple tools, a strong bush knife can cover a wide range of essential survival functions. What makes a tool like this valuable is strength and versatility. It allows you to process wood for fire, construct basic structures, and handle demanding outdoor tasks with a single tool. In survival situations, reducing the number of tools while maintaining capability is important, and a durable bush knife fits that role well. It becomes a core part of your gear because it can handle both rough and precise tasks when needed, making it one of the most reliable tools in outdoor survival setups. The Weiland Survival Axe is designed for chopping, splitting, and preparing firewood, which are essential tasks in outdoor environments. Firewood preparation is critical for maintaining warmth, cooking food, and creating safe fire setups, and an axe allows these tasks to be completed much faster than using smaller tools. What makes an axe valuable is efficiency and capability. It allows you to handle larger pieces of wood, build shelters, clear paths, and manage the environment more effectively. In survival situations, tools that save time and energy become extremely important, and an axe is one of the most efficient tools for processing natural materials. While it may not be used constantly, when it is needed, it becomes one of the most important tools in your gear. Wazoo Spark Necklace. Fire is one of the most critical elements in survival, and having a reliable way to create it can make a significant difference in difficult conditions. A fire-starting tool built into a wearable necklace takes that idea further by making sure the tool is always with you. Instead of storing fire starters in a bag or kit that could be lost or out of reach, this design keeps the tool accessible at all times. In survival situations, accessibility is just as important as functionality, and a wearable tool reduces the risk of being without a critical piece of gear when it is needed most. What makes a tool like this valuable is constant readiness. It allows you to start a fire for warmth, cooking, or signaling without needing to search through equipment. Fire-starting tools that are always within reach provide a level of preparedness that stored gear cannot always guarantee. In survival setups, redundancy and accessibility are key principles, and wearable tools fit into that approach very well. A simple tool that you carry every day but can rely on in emergencies becomes one of the most practical pieces of gear you can have. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy content like this, camping gear, survival tools, and outdoor tech gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next adventure.